Hello and welcome. In this video, we are discussing about SAP ABAP classes. So a class is used to specify the form of an object, and it combines data representation and methods for manipulating that data into one neat package. The data and functions within a class are called members of the class. Class definition and implementation. When you define a class, you define a blueprint for a data type, and this doesn't actually define any data, but it does define what the class name means, what an object of the class will consist of, and what operations can be performed on such an object. That is, it defines the abstract characteristics of an object such as attributes, fields, and properties. The syntax shows how to define a class: class name, definition, end class. A class definition starts with the keyword class, followed by the class name, definition, and the class body. The definition of a class can contain various components of the class such as attributes, methods, and events. And when we declare a method in the class declaration, the method implementation must be included in the class implementation. Class name, implementation, end class. And implementation of a class contains the implementation of all its methods. In ABAP objects, the structure of a class contains components such as attributes, methods, events, types, and constants. Attributes. Attributes are data fields of a class that can have any data type such as C, I, F, and N, and they are declared in the class declaration. These attributes can be divided into two categories: instance and static attributes. An instance attribute defines the instance-specific state of an object, and the states are different for different objects. An instance attribute is declared by using the data statement. Static attributes define a common state of a class that is shared by all the instances of the class. So, this was a brief discussion on SAP ABAP classes, and we will be discussing more on SAP in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.